Hello, ma'am. Good morning. How are you?
Good, good morning. I'm great. Thank you for asking. And what about you?
I'm also doing well.
Okay. Hmm. So, as we are meeting first time, so please introduce yourself.
Of course, ma'am. Sure. My name is Asari Mahato. I am from Purulia district of West Bengal. I'm a home tutor. I teach children as well as I do farming. There are 5 members in my family, and I like playing football with children and planting trees, watching movies, practicing English. That's all about me.
Okay. So, you are from Purulia?
Yes, ma'am. I am from Purulia
Wow,
district of West Bengal.
wow, that's great. So, you are very close to me. I am here. I am staying in Purulia district. So, I think it's
Okay.
very close. So, what's your place name? Your place, your village or town.
Exact place.
Hmm.
Okay.
Where
My
you are?
village name is Sineri.
Sidri. Okay.
Do
Hmm.
you know, ma'am, Chidka Gorina Dam? So it is
Yes.
very close to my village.
Okay. I know. I know. Chirka is very close to Purulia. I think it's 2 kilometers away from Purulia. Okay. So you are very close.
No, no.
Really, I feel very nice to meet you. Okay, Akash.
I study, but I only learn English nowadays. I am practicing English, and I am trying to teach students from English also. I am giving
Okay.
tuition class,
Okay. You.
and I
You.
study for myself only for my improvement. I don't study for any other government exams. Okay, I am not preparing anything. Just I am learning English, and my
Okay.
focus thing is only English.
Okay, so you have been taking classes with kids. So students are which class students you have been taking classes of them? The student you have been taking class.
Now I teach 1 to 9 class students.
Wow,
1 to 9 class students.
wow, that's great. That's great. Hmm, really, it's great. And you are so much fascinated about English.
Yes, ma'am. I am very passionate about this language.
Hmm. So how do you learn this language? How do you practice English actually?
How do I practice? I practice on just talk, just skill application there. And if you ask how did I learn, so I have learned from YouTube, watching videos. So I have learned this language from YouTube. Most of the things I have learned from YouTube's grammar parts also. And yes, I every day watch English conversation videos, blogs, or other things. So yes, I'm learning
Wow,
from also YouTube. And
wow.
yes, there are many applications also. So I just take help, like whatever I like when I stuck. That time I search on Google any meaning, any sentence, so, and yes, I practice.
Wow, that's great, Akash. Actually, you know, in our area, people are not aware about speaking English. Hmm. Even you know, the student who are studying in English medium, they are also not aware about talking in English. Speaking English, they don't think it is important. And parents are prefer to teach their kids in English medium school, but they are not thinking like it's important to speak in English as well. They think maximum people think like English is a subject, not a language. But it is the uh, media of communication. But people are not aware. Even you are speaking well, you are teaching. So that's I feel really it's great in my locality, in my area. So really, Akash, it's great. So you teach English subject as well, students.
Yes, I teach English, Bengali, mathematics. I can teach every subjects.
Every subject. Okay. And you said you mail me. You have a YouTube channel. You have a YouTube channel.
Yes, yes, I have a YouTube channel, and ma'am, you are saying me, you are calling me Akash. Akash is my nickname, but my real name is Asari.
Sorry. Okay.
Okay, my
Hmm.
nickname is Akash.
Okay. Okay. So
Okay.
in
You
your
can call me Akash, no problem. Many will call me Akash. Okay.
Asari. Okay. 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 If I call you Asari, you feel nice. I think so. Your family member call you uh, Asari name by Asari name. Okay. So it's your school name, I think.
Actually, my family members don't call me. Yes, yes.
Hmm. Really, Akash, I feel great to know about in my area. It's a young age. You are doing that's great. You are learning, you are teaching, and you have a YouTube channel. And through YouTube channel, you help people and you improve yourself. Really, I feel very nice, and it's really great, Akash. It's really great. Hmm. And so, say, what's your hobby, Akash? What do you like to do in your free time?
I like spending time with children and nature, and I like planting trees. Sometimes I watch movies, cartoons, and yes, I love practicing English also. It is my one of hobby, and yes.
Since morning till up to what did you do? Share. Mm.
Okay, today, yes, nothing so much special, but in morning time I woke up very early, and after that I went to my field. After I plucked some carrots from ground, and yes, after coming back home, I started giving tuition class, and after tuition class, I took bath. Then after having meal, I was sitting. Then my father told me to go to the field. After coming back, was watching some videos, and yes, now I am having conversation with you. So
Okay.
nothing special, you can say, but yeah, I was busy. I'm very
Hmm,
active
hmm,
person
hmm,
nowadays.
hmm. Your schedule is busy somewhere. It's good. You taught kids, and after that you did help to your family. So it's great. It's great. Hmm. Would you like to share your daily routine, Akash? So it will help to learner as well. How to say daily routine. And it helps me to understand your schedule
Okay.
like what you do every day.
Okay, my daily routine is I wake up every day early in the morning, like 5 a.m., 5:30 a.m. And after that, uh, sometime I go to field for walking, or sometime I make video also in morning time also. And after that, I start giving tuition class. I start give tuition class around 7 a.m. And after that, I just I take a bath and I have my breakfast and I start like watching videos. I mean, I try to learn something okay new in English, and sometimes I watch English grammar videos, blogs, or other content video. And sometimes I take have a like test session like with other YouTubers. I'm trying to connect with them also nowadays. So sometimes I uh, join with them. Okay, they uh, make conversation video. So I'm trying to connect with them nowadays. So sometimes I take session also with them, and in evening time, uh, I do some work also if I get work. Okay, so I help my family, and yes, I sometime I spend my time with children, and sometime I go to the field for hunting cows and goats also, and I practice English there
Hmm,
on
hmm,
audio call,
okay.
sometimes on video call also. And
Hmm.
in evening time also I start giving tuition class, and at night time I just have my dinner and I sleep very early. So my life is very simple. Okay, nothing special, and I don't do so many things, but Yes, most of the time I try to spend my time to learn this language, and something like I sometime I watch, sometime I listen, and yes.
Hmm. And the reading or writing part is you are missing, or sometimes you do as well, writing, reading something for a learning language.
I don't write, I don't like writing so much, but I try to read sometime. But most of the day I don't read so much. But I try to read like some topics, some things like some it was told me like they give some topic for a conversation. That time I read something new, anything in story or other things. Some daily use sentences also, words meaning. And most of the time I don't read nowadays, but I watch videos and I try to recall those videos. I try to remember and I try to speak. Okay.
Okay, so you record video, and that's why you practicing this. Record, and after that you listen, and you are able to rectify your mistakes. So that's why you are improving.